Hello, those who are interested to practice GRE or IELTS mock test, they can download a very interesting software for practicing, and that software name is EdNet, which is available on Microsoft App Store. So, if we open our Microsoft Store, yeah, it's opening. And if you search the name of this app, EDNET, EdNet, we will get this application here. This is the application. So if we click here, so we will see that this is the application here. As I already downloaded this application, so it shows open. So if you do not download this application and it is the first time for you, in that case you will see install button here. Just it will be then install, and you will click on this and it will install the software. So I already installed this software, so I'm going to open this software. So what I will do here, from here I will write EdNet. Yep, I will write EdNet and I will get this software. So if I click on this application, this application will open. And as this is the first installation, so that is the reason we do not see any file, I mean mock test file. Basically, for using this application, you are required to download .ednet files, which are basically mock test file, which means that if you want to practice GRE verbal question, in that case you need to download .ednet file of GRE verbal mock test. So as this is a very first installation, so as it's a clean installation, there is no file here, and the video you see here, it's an instructional video, which means how to download this file, how to use this application. All the instructions are given in this video, so you can run this video. The thing is, actually I already downloaded file, but I will show you how I can download file. So what I can do, I can open my browser. And okay, I'm opening this one. This is a clean account. Okay, so what I will have to do, I will have to write EdNet. I will have to write EdNet file and then just enter, and you will see that there is a website. You will find several websites here which basically serve .ednet mock test file. So what I will do, I will go to a special website. The name of that website is EdNet file, EDNET ednetfile.github.io. So if I click on here, I see that there are different types of file. Here I see KMF 118 mock test for verbal, and here I see KMF 130 mock test for Quant. So I can download this, and these are basically zip files. So what I will have to do, okay, I'm showing you what I need to do. Okay, the file already has been downloaded, and if I open this, okay, I need to extract this file. This file is extracted. Then I see that there are mock test file for verbal. So I already downloaded verbal file. So what I need to do, I need to go to my application, which is already opened. Okay, this application. What I will have to do, I will have to, before that actually I need to create a folder. Imagine that I am creating a folder on my desktop. So here I am creating the folder. I am giving the name of the folder mock, just a random name I'm giving here. So now what I will do, the files I already downloaded, I mean this file, so .ednet file, just I am copying this and pasting there. Okay, I need to do something else before. I need to go there and then I need to click on leave, and then I will have to show this folder. This is the folder mock folder, so and select okay, which means I already told this application that this mock folder is your library and all the mock files are available here in this folder. So whenever I will open this software will automatically list all these files, I mean mock test, in this application. So what I did, I already extracted this file, so I'm copying this now and pasting here. I'm pasting here. Okay, and then okay, I'm closing everything, all the folders. If I go to the application and if I refresh and go to verbal section, as I already as the files which I downloaded, they are actually verbal files, verbal mock test, GRE verbal mock test files. So that is the reason these files will be available, or I will get this file on verbal tab. So yeah, this is the verbal tab, and here if I click on any mock test, these are mock tests. So if I click on any mock test, the mock test will open. This is the original GRE GUI based mock test. So I can answer this way, I can select answer, and this is how this section will complete. This section will be completed. Okay, if I click on here on answer, and if I look at here on the top of this screen, I see that the answer is mentioned here, which will be the answer of this question. And if I want to get explanation, in that case I can search on internet. It will automatically search on internet. So here, so the question was with the numerous opponents. Okay, so here we see that question already has been searched here, and if I click here, it will take me to the website. It will take me to the website. Okay, so here here I have been actually taken this website, but the thing is, in the updated application, this is old application, old version of application I'm using here. As this, I mean, if you look at this very carefully, so these are basically Chinese word, and I do not know how to read this explanation. So in the updated version of this application, which is going to be released maybe when you will see this video, all that is released. So there will be a translation button. If you click on this button, I mean, very easily you will be able to translate it. Okay, I have the application on my PC, so let me open that. This one. So if I go to the variable section and click on any mock test, and if I complete this exam, I use a shortcut, and if I try to find the explanation, or imagine that I want to get explanation of this answer of this question, sorry, and if I click on there on this button, explanation button, I see there is a translate button. Okay, and also I will get the answer here. Gemini will help to explain this option also, question also. So yeah, which is the, what is the exam? 3 5 3, what is the answer? 3 5. 3 anomalies and 5 is embodies. Is it anomalies and embodies? Okay, so yeah. So if I go to any Chinese Chinese website, in that case, I will get this translate button. You need to wait of wait for a minute, or for a moment, actually not a minute, because you need to load this website. This website is very slow, and if you look at here, this is Chinese and you do not understand, and if you click here, this will be automatically translated by Google Translator. So yeah, the explanation can be found here. So yeah, this is the way actually you can take preparation of GRE, and obviously of IELTS also. You will find the IELTS file also in this application. Here you need to download. Okay, let me download IELTS reading mock test. I already downloaded. So what I will have to do, I can double click on this on this file, EdNet file, or I can just copy this file to the mock. Okay, here I'm pasting. Where is this? Oh, it's not copied. Let me copy this. Download, and let me copy this, and I'm going to the mock folder and pasting. So now if I open the application, you see in reading there is no file here, but if you just refresh from here, you will see the mock test is here. So if you open this, and the mock will be opened here, and from here you will be able to answer the IELTS question. And if you look on the top left of this application, you will see there is a timer. It is counting down, and you can answer this way. And in the bottom you will see there is a neighbor, I mean the parts. You know, in IELTS reading there are 3 parts. By navigating these parts, you will be able to by using these parts, you will be able to go to different parts of passages. Okay, this is how actually we can practice. And if you want to see answer, you can click on this cross button, and it will show you all the answers. So yeah, these are the answers, and also these are the diagrams of questions. This is summary completion, so you can just drag your answer, and this is the correct answer. Yeah, this is how you can practice. And the band score you will see here, because I didn't answer this, so there is the reason my band score is 0. So based on your answer, you will get your band score, which will be assessed by this application. So I'm closing this, and this is how actually we can take preparation. Even if I click on, let me check. Okay, yeah, the application is closed. If I double click on this application, the exam will be opened just this way. You see, the exam is open, and yeah, just if it comes, you need to close this, and the exam is here, and you can go to the exam. And if you want to quit this test, you can just click, and the window will be closed. Yeah, this is how actually we can practice GRE and IELTS reading and listening mock test. And this is very good website. I think you need to just remember the name on this website from where actually we will download our files. So this is ednetfile.github.io. This is very beautiful website which shares different types of mock tests on different exams. So, okay, so I think you understand how to use this application. This is a very beautiful application. Thank you very much.